So the Prime Minister not only celebrating the victory in Bihar, but also in a sense sounding the poll bugle for the next big battle of Bengal. The question of course is, as the BJP expands its footprint, now becomes the #1 party in Bihar, will the political equations change in Bihar and beyond? What really happens to Nitish Kumar? Will he be a figurehead? And will the BJP now become the dominant force of politics from, as the Prime Minister suggested, Kashmir to Kanyakumari? Take a look first at our top story a day after what happened in Bihar.
There's only one man of the series in the Bihar election thriller, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP, for the first time, has emerged the biggest party within the alliance, ahead of the JDU by quite a distance. The very fact that the NDA scrapped through has much to do with Prime Minister Modi's heavy lifting. Prime Minister Modi, like an experienced batsman, paced his innings, picking his shots according to the pitch. He started touting centre's achievements like the abrogation of Article 370 in Kashmir.
जम्मू कश्मीर से आर्टिकल 370 हटने का इंतजार देश बरसों से कर रहा था या नहीं, ये फैसला हमने लिया। आज ये लोग इस फैसले को पलटने की बात कर रहे हैं। ये कह रहे हैं कि सत्ता में आए तो आर्टिकल 370 फिर लागू कर देंगे। और इनका दुस्साहस देखिए, इतना कहने के बाद भी ये लोग बिहार के लोगों से वोट मांगने की हिम्मत दिखा रहे हैं।
But by phase 2, he had shifted gears. Probably had got the pulse of the people. He reminded Bihar of Lalu Yadav's rule, often described as Jungle Raj.
एक पक्ष है जंगल राज का, जो अंधेरा वापस लाना चाहता है ताकि लालटेन फिर जले। दूसरा है एनडीए, जिसने हर गांव तक बिजली पहुंचाकर घरों को दूधिया बल्ब से प्रकाशित करने का, रोशन करने का काम किया।
He appealed to women.
इन दिनों मैं देख रहा हूं कि बिहार में महिलाएं कह रही है, भाई घर वालों को जो करना है करेंगे, मैं तो मोदी के साथ चलूंगी। बिहार की हर मां, बिहार की हर बेटी आज हम सबको आशीर्वाद दे रही है। यही तो लोकतंत्र की अपनी एक ताकत है भाइयों।
And he played the nationalism card to consolidate the core voter base.
छठी मैया को पूजने वाली इस धरती पर जंगल राज के साथी चाहते हैं कि भारत मां की जय के नारे ना लगे। वो चाहते हैं आप जय श्री राम भी ना बोले। ये भारत माता के विरोधी अब एकजुट होकर बिहार के लोगों से वोट मांगने के लिए आए।
The results are there to see. The first phase of the polls was clearly an advantage Mahagathbandhan, with NDA lagging behind. But in phase 2, the NDA bounced back in a race, winning 52 seats. It nailed the final round with a 67% strike rate, winning 52 seats out of 78. It is a tremendous role reversal in the NDA. The BJP, which piggybacked on the JDU to build its presence in the caste-ridden Bihar politics, has now lifted the JDU from what looked like a debacle. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi did bulk of scoring for Team NDA. With Palami Saha, Bureau Report, India Today.